When say you have a mindful exercise, aware ka na na-disturb ka, and you pause. Problema kasi sa network marketing, okay lang yan. You eat rejection for breakfast, rejection for dinner. Parang ino-okay natin hindi okay. So when you're mindful, you're okay. Teka, bad trip ako. Take a deep breath. Then do not operate when you're bad trip. Kasi pag operate ka ng bad trip mo, kumusta ang result? That's why you need to be very mindful, especially with how you think, how you feel, how you act. Everything that's going on in our life right now na ayaw natin kasi wala tayong mindfulness. Sige nga, sino ito nagalit na sa buhay? At nagalit ka, may ginawa kang hindi maganda. At nasaktan mo yung ibang tao, at lalala ikaw, nasaktan mo yung sarili mo. Tapos sabihin, hindi ko na uulitin. Pero sa isang iglap, inulit mo. Ask me why. You were actually acting mindlessly.